Welcome back to Trading. Today, I'm really excited to share an exciting strategy with you. We've discovered a powerful combination of advanced technical indicators that provide instant buy and sell signals without any lag. Let's face it, many indicators out there share a signal a bit too late, often missing the prime momentum of the market. But today, we've put in the effort and found a solution. The indicators showcased in this video not only deliver highly accurate trade signals, but also navigate through those tricky fake signals, especially in a range-bound market. I will explain the complete strategy using this indicator, so let's open our chart. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. These indicators can be used in all markets, including crypto stocks and forex. The most appropriate time frames are 5, 15, and 30 minutes. However, they can be used on higher time frames like 1 hour and even daily with some minor settings adjustments. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain everything from the beginning. In order to add these tools to your chart, navigate to the Indicators menu and search for Super Bollinger Trend, and then add this indicator created by Zierman. So this is the main indicator of our trading strategy. The Super Bollinger Trend indicator is a combination of two popular technical analysis tools, Bollinger Bands and Supertrend. And by combining these two indicators, Super Bollinger Trend aims to provide traders with a more comprehensive view of the market, accounting for both volatility and trend direction by combining trend identification with volatility analysis. The Super Bollinger Trend indicator provides traders with valuable insights into potential trend changes. It recognizes that high volatility levels often accompany strong price momentum, and this can result in the formation of new trends or the continuation of existing ones. The Super Bollinger Trend includes three components: the Super Trend color line, the zigzag line, and the buy and sell signals are displayed as triangles. Let's access the settings for this indicator. In the Style section, we will disable the lines. This will make our chart appear cleaner. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. It is obvious that this indicator gives some false signals, but once we combine it with our next indicator, I assure you 90% of these signals will vanish. So let's add the second indicator of the strategy to the chart. So we will click on the Indicators tab. The next indicator we will add is called Zero Lag SMA by VeryFit. Now let's see what this indicator is all about. The Zero Lag SMA indicator is a technical analysis tool designed to eliminate the lag that is inherent in tradition, moving averages providing a faster and more responsive signal for traders. The Zero Lag SMA is an improved version of the traditional simple moving average, which calculates the average of the price of a security over a specified period. However, the conventional SMA has a drawback. It tends to lag behind the current market price, which can cause delays in generating trading signals. And to address this issue, the Zero Lag SMA uses a more sophisticated calculation method that combines the standard SMA with a linear regression-based forecasting technique by predicting future price movements and adjusting the moving average accordingly. In short, the Zero Lag SMA aims to reduce the lag and provide more accurate trading signals. For better results, we will need to adjust the indicator settings, so we will open the indicator settings and change the Zero Lag SMA length to 100. After that, we will change the time frame to 15 minutes. Now you can see our chart is looking much better now. But for our strategy to reach its full potential, we will need to add another indicator to our chart. If you are looking for a free NFT or a portion of $1 million prize money, quickly check out the link below this video. You see, my favorite crypto exchange Bybit is celebrating its 5th anniversary and is therefore giving away awesome prizes, free NFTs, iPhones, and much more. Quickly press the link in the description. The celebration is due on 25 December, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. So we will open the Indicators tab again, and in the search bar type RSI with self-adjusting linear regression bands, and add this indicator created by Zierman. This indicator can be used in multiple ways, for instance, to find overbought and oversold areas, or to identify trends, as well as pullbacks. This indicator consists of the RSI, the upper and lower curves, as well as the middle curve. When the RSI blue line crosses the lower curve to the downside, this signals an oversold market. And when the RSI line crosses the upper curve to the upside, this indicates an overbought market. We will adjust its settings as well. First of all, we need to change the opacity of the overbought and oversold zones. Make sure to follow these settings. After that, I will change the color of the middle line to yellow. It is important that this line is easily distinguished on the chart. Now that our chart is set, let's go through the complete rules and conditions for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, the price must close above the zero lag SMA, just like it did here. This is an indication of an uptrend. Then Super Bollinger Trend must give a buy signal. And when we got the buy signal, the RSI must be oversold. In addition, at the time of the signal, the RSI line must be below the yellow line. Do not open a buy trade if the RSI is above the yellow line. If all the requirements are met, you can enter the trade. So I will open a buy position here. We will set the stop loss below the recent swing low. And with this strategy, we will target a risk to reward ratio of 2. Or you can simply exit the trade as soon as the price crosses and closes below the ZLA indicator line. I hope you have understood the rules for entering a buy trade. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So for a sell trade, we will do the opposite. First, we will wait for the price to close below the zero lag SMA. Then we want the Super Bollinger Trend indicator to give a sell signal. And finally, to confirm the signal, we will look at the RSI. Before we get the RSI must be overbought. And in addition, the line must be above the yellow line of the RSI line. If it is below the yellow line or oversold, ignore the trade. In this example, all the requirements are met. So let's open a sell trade here. We will set the stop loss above the latest swing high and target 2 times the risk. Or as mentioned earlier, you can exit a winning trade as soon as the price crosses and closes above the zero lag SMA. I hope you guys found this strategy to be beneficial. This is going to be it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.